Okay, so we're going to have a look at Antarctica. And first up, we have got what some people believe is a crashed UFO. With what appears to be a kind of trail back to maybe the impact site. And another theory is that this is snow that has rolled down the mountain from an avalanche, and that's created the trail there. So we've got a couple of different theories going on here. But it's quite difficult to make out exactly what it is down there. So it's definitely interesting there. Definitely something out of the ordinary. Okay, so I think we're going to head off to... Let's have a look. Yeah, the hole, which is right over here. Now this is particularly interesting. This looks like a kind of a cave in the snow or in the mountain, and these are kind of steps, they'd look like, leading into the cave, into this darkened kind of cavern. But it's quite difficult to see inside the cave. But they definitely look like steps there. Kind of makes me think of Cthulhu's house. Right, well, let's move on, and we're going to head to somewhere else. Okay, so to the crashed UFO. When it first appeared, there was an object there, but now all that remains are the markings in the snow. And there are also some tanks. The tanks seem to have gone, but the markings are still there. Some other strange looking markings down there, but we don't know what those are. And over here there is some kind of base, possibly an army base. And further to the left is a bigger base, or maybe some kind of research facility or something like that. Looks like it says NSF. Okay, so we're going to head off to the plains now. There's some random planes on the mountain, and there's also a round thing, which some people have said is a UFO, but I think it might just be a rock. It could be that the planes were in mid-flight whilst the photos were taken on Google Earth. There's also some strange tracks nearby. Right, so this is we've got a kind of, it looks like a runway almost, just above there. And then this kind of streak here might be kind of cracked ice, or some sort of frozen water there, but it looks like kind of probably cracked ice. Okay, so where are we going to head to next? Oh yeah, the good old face. This one's quite interesting. We've looked at this one before. this definitely looks like a face. Some kind of monkey alien face, possibly. With its features, you've got the eyes there, the nose, and a mouth. Seems to be on the side of the mountain. Is it just markings in the snow, or is there's something underneath the snow? But it's definitely a unique thing there. It's quite difficult to see exactly. It just kind of looks like a kind of hole. I don't know if that was caused by some sort of impact. Okay, well, we're going to take a look at something else now and move on. Where are we going to head to? Okay, so if we go all around here, we're going to have a look at this hole. So this is interesting. This kind of hole. I wonder where it goes and what's beyond there. Because obviously, on initial impression, you can't really tell, but it looks like it's deep into the mountain there, sort of into the abyss. It looks like. Now we're going to have a look at some strange blips, some glitches. So let's have a look at these. Some strange, like, white spots. As I said, they look like blips or glitches. There's one there. They almost look like a UFO or something. Like something flying. This one is like a streak of light. Strange. Is it just glitches due to on the photographs? Some kind of blip. There's another one here. Strange sort of square of light. Are they glitches or are they something else? So you don't see them everywhere. And then we have something that's kind of rather strange. Maybe it's not that unusual, but it kind of looks like something odd, like a brain. I guess it could be just melting ice that's created a kind of odd, funny looking pattern with a dark patch around it. I guess the ice from the snow must melt and kind of change all the time, depending on the seasons. Yes, kind of difficult to figure what that could be. So there are definitely quite a few strange things in the Antarctic. So go and check it out yourself on Google Earth and see what you think. And make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.